we're all familiar with those scams from Africa, like you give me $500 and it will deposit 10,000 into your bank account. You've heard it. If you haven't been a victim of it, you've heard about it. It's a scam that's been going on for years. I mean, I laugh every time because who would be stupid enough to write a check for $500 in hopes of getting 10,000? That's just an example, but one that I feel I've heard before. It's ludicrous on its face, but people fall for it. People actually write these people a check for $500 and they get nothing in return. But anyway, there is a Department of Justice release today. Ghanaian citizen extradited in connection with prosecution of Africa-based cybercrime and business email compromise conspiracy. All right, we already know where this is going, but let's go ahead and read it because this kind of stuff fascinates me. I don't know if it fascinates me because people actually fall victim to it, or that the people that are actually doing it get away with it for as long as they do, and it actually works. A Ghanaian citizen residing in Tamale, Ghana, has been extradited to stand trial for an indictment charging him with wire fraud, money laundering, computer fraud, and aggravated identity theft. I mean, the fact that he's been extradited, I guess they have an understanding. Ghana and the US have an understanding, and you can be extradited. So, if you want to pull a stunt like this, say for example, in Africa, you might want to find out what the extradition understandings are between, the country that you're going to try to scam people and where you're at currently, because chances are you can be extradited. Acting Assistant Attorney General Brian C. Rabbit of the Justice Department's Criminal Division, U.S. Attorney D. Michael Donovan of the Western District of Tennessee, and Special Agent in Charge Douglas Korneski of the FBI's field office made the announcement. So here's some background. On August 23rd, 2017, a federal grand jury in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Tennessee indicted Maxwell Peter, 27, whose given name is Maxwell Adugaba Abayata, and others with conspiracy to commit wire fraud, conspiracy to commit money laundering, conspiracy to commit computer fraud, and aggravated identity theft. Following his extradition, Peter's initial appearance was made Tuesday before U.S. Magistrate Judge Charmaine G. Claxton for the Western District of Tennessee. The indictment alleges that various Africa-based co-conspirators committed or caused to be committed a series of intrusions into the servers and email systems of a Memphis-based real estate company in June and July 2016, using sophisticated anonymization techniques, including the use of spoofed email addresses and virtual private networks. The co-conspirators identified large financial transactions, initiated fraudulent email correspondence with relevant business parties, and then redirected closing funds through a network of US-based money mules to final destinations in Africa. Wow, I mean, that's loaded. It's kind of sophisticated, I didn't know they were doing all of that. I thought they were just simply getting emails somehow, never knew how they were getting the emails, but they were, and just sending out an email and hoping that, they'll send out 100 and maybe one person would respond, but they evidently had something far more sophisticated. That's interesting. Let's see, let's read on. 7 other individuals have pleaded guilty to being involved in these schemes. Bernard E. Orca, 41, was extradited in March 2020 from Canada and is detained pending trial. 2 others, Abu Gandhi, 33, and Javier Luis Ramos Alonso, 30, were convicted in March after a 7-day trial in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Tennessee. Okay. Abu Gandhi received a 78-month sentence, and Ramos Alonso received a 31-month sentence for their roles in the scheme. Several individuals remain at large. I mean, from what I understand, they were able to get several $1 million. I mean, they ruin people's lives. I would imagine that the people writing those checks, some of those people, that was their life savings, and they were just salivating over getting $10,000 for just merely giving someone 500. And I don't even know, I don't know how they managed to get the person to write the check or send the money in the first place. What was their scheme? Hey, we've got this new product. We'd love for you to become partners in it. And all you need to do is write us a check for 500 and you're guaranteed in 2 months to get 10,000. I don't know. But whatever they were doing, they were scamming and scheming, and people fell victim. So now their little scheme is over. And, you know, as it says here, he's innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for stopping by the Daily Facts. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye.